Trust is built by optimizing creativity, industrial processes, productivity. Trust is built worldwide for all manufacturers. Trust is built in France, thanks to experts who guide manufacturers toward Industry 4.0. Trust is built, and so is the future, thanks to integrated software solutions based on a single sovereign core. Topsolid is a global leader in design, manufacturing, ERP, and simulation that has been showcasing French expertise across 5 continents for over 40 years through its network of subsidiaries and distributors. More than 50,000 customers rely on us across all industries. Across all sectors. Building trust, shaping the future. We are Topsolid.